Hello everyone. Today we will find the CDF of Weibull distribution. Say the PDF of Weibull distribution looks like alpha divided by beta x by beta alpha minus 1 e to the power minus x by beta to the power alpha, where alpha is a shape parameter and beta is a scale parameter. So as you know that for finding CDF, we denote as f of x equal to probability of x less than small x is equal to integration from 0 to x f of x dx. We put the CDF of my model like Weibull distribution 0 to x alpha by beta x by beta alpha minus 1 e to the power x by beta alpha dx. See, we cannot do anything here. We have to simplify this one so that we can further move. Let uh, x divided by beta to the power alpha is equal to a. Then differentiate both sides. D by dx of x by beta to the power alpha is equal to d by dx of a. Next, what we can write, see, we have to derivative of this. We will find alpha x beta alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to dA by dx. Next, what we can write, alpha x by beta alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to, d of x is equal to dA. So now we can put this see, now we have alpha divided by beta and this part as here. So this and this dx we can write as dA. So now we can write f of x is equal to integration of 0 to x of e to the power minus a dA. We cannot write x, we have to write x divided by beta whole to the power alpha, because we changed with a the whole thing. Okay, so what you can write next, now this simplify this integration and we have e to the power minus a divided by minus 1 x by beta whole to the power alpha 0. And next we can write minus e to the power minus a x by beta to the power alpha and 0 minus e to the power minus x by beta to the power alpha minus e to the power 0. And now we can write x by beta alpha plus 1. So 1 minus e to the power minus x by beta whole to the power alpha. So this is our desired CDF of Weibull distribution. Thank you very much.